Thank you for confirming my doubts.
Well, both the sides are pushing a narrative. And no, there are no doubts that there is a politicization of the case.
Ketan,
and hence CBI needs to investigate
Ketan,
independently. This is not me concluding. The Supreme Court said.
Ketan ji, are you then acknowledging on national television that Sushant Singh Rajput's death has been used by political pawns to peddle one narrative over the other? Are you trying to say that? Because once you say that, then the media channels which went absolutely berserk with over the weekend trying to peddle one theory over the rest of the others, trying to prove that there was one truth which they wanted to peddle from day one, which is that Sushant committed suicide. Are you trying to say that that game was actually underway? Did you just conclude that?
Yeah, he said it.
Well, truths are what independent investigating agencies find out after a scientific investigation.
No, but how did it magically becoming? But one second, how did it? But how did the crime scene decontaminate itself? How did it magically become forensically suitable to declare suicide? You tell me, did the crime scene walk to Sudhir Gupta and said, "I put Ganga Jal over myself. Now I'm clean. Now I've decontaminated myself"? Do you think people of the country are crazy? Do you think people of the country are out of their minds? What kind of rubbish are you trying to spread? Rabia Khan, as you watch this, any questions from your end? Rabia Khan, mother of Jia Khan, any questions from your end?
We find the Mumbai doctors inefficient. We find the Mumbai doctors not good for anything. And hence, CBI
listen, stop whining. Stop whining. Stop whining. Stop whining. I am asking you, I have a recording of the man. I have a recording of the man. Who will trust his report now? Who will trust his report now?
Arnab,
who in the country will trust his report now? Will you trust his report?
Is this report?
Rabia, will you trust the report now? Of a man who says the crime scene has been contaminated and then does a U-turn and says it has become decontaminated. I'm giving a conclusive report. Will you trust it, Rabia?
Yes, Arnab.
It's not Sudhir Gupta's
I am so
report
horrified.
alone. It's a report of 8 medical experts.
Rabia.
Yes, I am so horrified and petrified with these stories, and especially Dr. Gupta. Such a professional doctor to either be complicit or be under pressure, because he claims that he has not seen the evidences and all the evidences were not given to him. So on what basis he concluded his report? He should have said, I have not. He should have raised questions from CBI. He should have raised more questions from police, Bombay police, to hand over the crucial evidences like nail clippings, like a videography, and unless these are not given, he will not give his conclusive report. This was, I was expecting out of him. Like in my case, at least, the PGI doctor requested CBI to give the literature to conclude the report that Jia Khan's death was homicidal, because I went to so many experts in the world, and they are all famous and they are well known in their expertise. Their authentications are there. They are willing to help the courts, and they have said that Jia's death was a staged homicide. Looking at whatever the evidences are there, the forensic doctor in AIIMS was aware that the scene is contaminated, that the evidences are destroyed. So